Hey everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin, and welcome to another episode of Munching Blindly. And I'm doing a set of, a trio of drinks. This one's the ultimate caramel soda from Boots Beverages. And then two Avery drinks. Which one's this one? The Zombie Brain Juice, which is strawberry and orange. And then there's a Fungal Fruit, which is pink passion fruit and lime. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, which one should I try first? I'll go with the pink passion fruit and lime. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to open that without something. There we go. Move those two out of my way. I don't like that. No. No, thank you. No, I don't even want to take a third sip of that. That didn't taste good at all. And that combination's not good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with the caramel, which I'm kind of afraid of too. Oh, it's from Texas. Random fact. I've had chocolate soda before, and I didn't care for that, so I'm kind of afraid of the caramel. I wish I had water in here. I really want to get rid of that taste. Doesn't smell bad. Kind of more of a butterscotch smell to it. I don't know. I kind of has. I mean, I can taste the caramel. It kind of has a little bit of a coffee taste to it in the back half. I'll come back to this one. Try it again after I get rid of the other drink first. Okay, so this is strawberry and orange, and this is the one that I figured I would like out of the three. Let's see if my hypothesis is correct. Not too bad. I don't know if I like as much as I was hoping I would. It definitely tastes the orange. But I do think there might be an off balance between the two, but I don't know which ones needs to be worked on. It might be the orange. The orange might be too much. Because it definitely tastes the orange at the back end. I mean, I do taste the strawberry a little bit, but it might not be enough. I don't know, it's really hard to tell on this one. Okay. I'm going to be done with this one. I think I know what it reminds me of. Kind of reminds me of Sunkiss. Not Sunkiss. Sunny D. Almost. Okay. after drinking that one for a bit, this one's really strong now. I'm starting to like that. The aftertaste still has a little bit of a coffee taste to it. But it's not horrible like the chocolate soda that I had. That one was horrible. Let's see. I'm gonna hurt myself. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, no more. No more of that. So that's... Can I go beyond 3? Can I say, like, this is, like, a million out of the top ranking type stuff? Because that's horrible. I guess it kind of makes sense why they call it fungal fruit. It tastes horrible. So out of 10, I'm gonna have to rank this one at 0. It can't even go for a 1. It is... Ugh. I mean, I like some lime tasting stuff. I kind of like passion fruit tasting stuff, but the two combined is horrible. Ugh. Yeah, tissue, my nose is... Okay. I think with the zombie one, might have to rank it at 5. I wouldn't get it again. I just don't think the combination between the two is perfected. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go with a 5 on this one. So, make these so you guys can see. Let me drink this one a little bit. It's like every time I put it down and I take a sip the first time, it tastes fine. But I'm gonna do it the second time. Yeah, it's a coffee taste to it. At the back half. So you have to let it sit after it fizzes a little bit and put it down and let it sit for a while and then drink it and you'll get the coffee taste, it seems. So the first sip, I'm gonna have the same, maybe an 8, possibly a 9 for the first sip. The second sip for me would be like, it's hard to say, because the first half of that sip of the second sip is fine. It's like the back half, the aftertaste, that you get the coffee taste, which when it gets to the coffee taste, to me that's pretty much a 1. No, that's harsh because this is a 0. So maybe a 4. Because I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee tasting things. So aftertaste gets a 4 out of 10. First sip, or settled sip, I guess you can say, would be like an 8 or 9. I really need to stop drinking that. But yeah. So, out of the 3, I mean, I can't really say you can compare it to how much I drank, because out of these two, this is my favorite. Out of the 3, this one's not. And I'm probably not going to drink these 3 together again, because my stomach is starting to get upset. But yeah, I would definitely try the caramel cola. I mean, if you like coffee, this probably be just fine for you with the aftertaste. But if you don't like coffee and you absolutely hate it, this might not be the greatest for you. So yeah, I think that's my verdict for today. And again, I hope you liked today's show. And hopefully you guys be back soon. So anyways, I hope you liked today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye. Think so. Well, maybe not. Now I'm done.
Hey, guys.
Thanks for watching me try these drinks. After the last few totally gross sodas, I thought these 2 would be better. Was I ever wrong? The fungal fruit may be tied with the pretzel nuggets for the worst thing I had this season. Just awful. The caramel soda really grew on me, except the aftertaste. Still not pleasant. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. But that ends the fall series of Munching Blindly. A new Munch with Munchkin will be up next week.
Bye, guys.